In today's video, I will walk you through how to make a gradient in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document, or create a new one. Next, select the object you want to apply the gradient to. Click the object using the Select tool so the resize handles appear. Gradients can be applied to shapes, paths, and even text. Make sure your object has a fill, since the gradient will be applied to the fill color. Now press G on your keyboard to activate the gradient tool. You can also select it from the toolbar on the left. With the gradient tool active, click and drag across your object. Inkscape will immediately create a smooth color transition following the direction of your drag. You'll see handles at both ends of the gradient. Drag these handles to change the direction, length, or position of the gradient.
To change the colors, click on a gradient stop and choose a color from the palette at the bottom of the screen. You can adjust each stop to create the exact color combination you want. And that's how to make a gradient in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.